Hey guys, it's your drop-in host Rose, and today we are paddling on North Star. We're putting in at Southgate. We're gonna go explore. North Star's all flooded, so you can go way back in the preserve, and I'm excited to see what we find. Got winter here, and it should be a good time. All right, let's go. Like, you barely have to paddle. Like a whole caravan. There were a few things that we did learn along the way as we paddled. Bug spray is definitely a good idea at this time of year. Mosquitoes are out in full force, and it's a lot more fun if you're not constantly getting bit by bugs.